everybody. You are going to love where we're doing the show from this week. This is a massive full-floor apartment overlooking Central Park. Designed by renowned architect Peter Marino, this jaw-dropping residence boasts impressive scale and bespoke style every step of the way. A grand 40-foot gallery leads to a sun-drenched corner living room and library, both featuring wood-burning fireplaces and treetop views of Central Park. The library even has its own Juliet balcony, very chic. The formal dining room is ideal for the most glamorous soirees, complete with its own fireplace and balcony. And when it's time to unwind, the private wing offers 4 spacious bedrooms, including a primary suite with 2 marble baths and another fireplace. This home blends Upper East Side allure with timeless design, resulting in a truly sophisticated, only in New York haven.